The regulators are now stating that customers of rural Chinese banks whose withdrawals have been frozen will begin to get some money back. China's rural banking sector has been hit hard by Beijing's efforts to rein in a property bubble and spiraling debt. In a financial crackdown that has had ripple effects across the world's second largest economy. Now, 4 banks in China's Henan province froze cash withdrawals in mid-April in the face of regulatory scrutiny into alleged mismanagement, leaving thousands of depositors without funds and sparking demonstrations. 10th of July 2022 witnessed one of the largest rallies of its kind, where hundreds gathered outside a branch of the People's Bank of China in Henan's capital Zhengzhou, demanding their money. Protests prompted a harsh official response, with demonstrators forced onto buses by police and beaten by plainclothes men. Both groups hit each other and pushed each other away. A large group of security personnel in plain clothes and uniforms were at the scene. According to analysts, the Henan Bank scandal, in which $6 billion in deposits disappeared, is more than a Chinese banking crisis. It is a political crisis that could undermine the people's confidence in local governance and also other local banks. The Henan banks are among a wave of small local financial institutions hit by cash flow and management woes. The Anhui province also announced that it would begin repaying the deposits of some customers of a Bengbu city bank after online complaints and reports of frozen withdrawals surfaced. Protests are rare in the tightly controlled China, but desperate citizens have occasionally succeeded in organizing mass gatherings, usually when their targets are local governments or individual corporations. The scandal should alarm investors not simply because of the brutal tactics used by the local authorities eager to cover it up, but because of the circumstances under which these small banks failed. And if a large number of small banks fail together, such an event could produce a chain reaction threatening the stability of the financial sector. Their counterparties and lenders, especially bigger banks, could suffer massive losses.
WION, now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.